Hola amigos, soy Kiran. Bienvenido en clase de español. ¿Cómo están? I hope everyone is doing well. Are you ready to learn a way of saying you in Spanish? So today we are going to see there are some ways to saying you in Spanish. So in English, as we know that in English we have only one way of saying you. But in Spanish, there are several words to choose from. So the word you use depend on first is whether you are talking to one person or more than one person. Second, we have to find that whether you are talking to a friend or a family member or someone else. So before you choose you, how to sing you, so two things you have to find out. First thing is that you are talking to one person, whether you are talking to one person or more than one person. Second thing is that whether you are talking to a friend or family member or someone else. Okay, so first is tu is informal singular. As you all know, tu is informal singular. So if you are talking to one person, you know well, such as friend, a young person or a relative. Okay, like friends, family or people of the same age, so we use tu. Second is usted. So as you all know, formal singular, we learn it, isn't usted? Formal singular, you, used in more formal situation or when addressing someone with respect, like elders, strangers or superior. So if you are talking to one person you do not know so well, such as your teacher, your boss, or a stranger, so use the polite form usted. So we use the polite form usted. Okay, I understand. I hope you understand. Next is vos, informal singular. As we learn to, so same is ये same है to के, like we use vos, informal singular. You used in certain like Argentina, Uruguay and parts of Central America. It is similar to tu. So we learn it is similar to tu but with different conjugation, because vosotros have a different conjugation and tu also have a different conjugation. Vosotros, if you are talking to more than one person, vosotros, as we all know, we. Okay, so if you are talking to more than one person, you know well, remember, you know well, so we use vosotros, vosotras. So vosotros for masculine and vosotras for feminine. Okay, in Spain, so use usted instead in Latin America. We use vosotros, vosotras in Spain and ustedes instead in Latin America. Next is ustedes. Ustedes, formal and informal plural. You, used in Latin America for addressing a group of people and in Spain for formal situation. In Spain we use ustedes as a formal situation. Okay, so use ustedes if you are talking to more than one person you do not know so well, so we use ustedes. So here are some examples to clarify. Tu, vos, vosotras, ustedes. Tu, informal singular, like you are my friend, so I say ¿cómo estás tú? Or I can say ¿cómo estás? How are you? So tú tienes un gran talento. I say tú tienes un gran talento. You have a great talent. Usted, formal singular, I can say ¿cómo estás? Okay, I can use in I don't know someone, मैं किसी को नहीं जानती तो मैं उससे ऐसे नहीं बोल सकती ना ¿cómo estás? Okay, we use a formal phrase like ¿cómo está usted? ¿Cómo está usted? Politely I ask ¿cómo está usted? How are you? Usted tiene una reunión a las 3. You have a meeting at 3. Okay. Vos, informal singular. ¿Cómo estás vos? How are you? The same way. ¿Cómo estás vos? How are you? Vos sabes mucho sobre este tema. You know a lot about this topic. Vos sabes mucho sobre este tema. You know a lot about this topic. Vosotros, informal plural, used in Spain. Okay, mostly used in Spain. ¿Qué hacéis vosotros este fin de semana? ¿Qué hacéis vosotros este fin de semana? What are you all doing this weekend? Or vosotros sois muy amables. You all are very kind. Vosotros for plural thing. Okay, vosotros sois muy amables. You all are very kind. Ustedes, formal and informal plural. ¿Cómo están ustedes? How are you all? Ustedes tienen que completar el proyecto. You all have to complete the project. So here we are learn the way of saying you. I hope you understand. And like, if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe my channel. Gracias por ver. Hasta luego.